This cup right here is perfect size to be a hat for Carlos.
I look like Abu from Aladdin.
Hey guys, we're here today for the first You Make It, We Skate It in a very, very long time. I'm so excited for this. If you have a submission, go ahead and send it to...
I got a tag.
Okay.
I'm glad to have you back, Uzi.
Yeah.
Welcome back to the channel.
Thank you.
But basically, if you have a submission, you have something you want to make for us and send it in, send it to skateit@brailleskateboarding.com. And then we will approve it, and we'll get all that working out. But let's open this up. Freddy, go
Amazon
ahead.
sent it to us?
No, I think they just put it in an Amazon box.
I wonder what
Carlos.
they bought from Amazon.
Whoa, whoa, you're about to slice my leg off.
I don't know.
Why is it not going well, though?
I don't know, because it's not a razor blade.
Oh.
I don't
what
know
is
if I'm
it?
allowed to speak
Oh,
this name.
I don't know. It doesn't feel right, though. Where's the note at?
Oh wow.
Let me get this note right
I
quick.
can't read.
There's a newspaper.
Hold up. Braille team, it is finally finished. The one and only
Awesome.
Elmers glue board.
Wow.
When I first sent you an email, I said it should be done in a week. Ha, it only took 3 months. I used 3 gallons of glue. 1 gallon leaked all over due to the failure of my cardboard mold I made, and shredded paper to give the glue something to bind with. I do not know how strong this goofy board is, so I'd highly recommend you have Carlos skate it first, and then he can land a kickflip down the 3-stair without breaking it. Then everyone can skate it. I also included a 2-foot by 2-foot plywood sheet I used when making the skateboard. Some of the mold is still glued on it, along with a piece of paper that was supposed to be part of the board, and tweezers that somehow got glued to the side of the plywood. I also drew a goofy picture of Carlos doing a switch kickflip to Casper slide to dark slide, so persistence coming soon.
Wow.
I figure if the board broke right away, then Carlos can attempt this combination of tricks. Give a shout out to my old skate crew, Jerry C, Moses B, Andy S, Andy Schrock, and Daryl F, and to my former coworker Shane S, and to Alumni Skate Shop for providing some stickers and putting grip on. Also to the owner of Alumni, Dave Mayhew, for lobbying the Madison City Council into building an awesome skate park. So if any of you ever want to visit Wisconsin, you should check out this park located at McPike Park 223 South Ingersoll Street, Madison, Wisconsin. Keep up the great videos. Sincerely, John P. Storley. P.S. You're gonna make me get back into skateboarding at the age of 44. I skated for about 12 years, then I joined the Army. Ha! 44. Wow. Oh, in the world.
I'm back at skateboarding?
I got a big old whiff of it.
Does it smell like Elmer's glue?
Yeah.
Oh, it smells like a freaking elementary school classroom. That feels
wait.
so bad, dude. And no, it's grip tape, but it's just, I think that it's glue. Wait, what newspaper? Maybe we're in the newspaper.
So they built a skate park.
I'm kind of overwhelmed. Same. Overwhelmed.
What's it look like? Looks exactly like me.
Oh, dang.
I don't know why we do stupid things like that, but we do.
Girl.
Oh my goodness, this thing is heavy.
That's a note?
This feels spectacular.
This side does.
Right here, if you feel that, the smoothest, nicest thing ever. You know, skateboard companies should start experimenting with putting a layer of dried Elmer's glue in the middle of their skateboards and see what happens. Put the mic up to it and just let the people. Shh, shh, shh. This is the ASMR Braille channel. We should do an ASMR skateboarding video. People would love it.
You know how they have, when you're trying to sleep, they have like rain sounds? We could have skateboard sounds.
Nigel, can we have the drill? You can have different channels of it. I think this is actually a really good idea. You can have like the calm skateboarding channel where it's just a lot of just like
a vert would be kind of soothing.
Yeah, like long grinds, and then you just hear like a yes, let's go. Really gentle high fives. Yeah, just like. And then you can have like the rage channel. It's just like, God, mother effer you, I
A
have.
golfing sleep channel would be so good.
We got real Braille bonding time going on right now.
Get it? 'Cause glue.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's have a
Yeah,
moment of
I'm outta
silence for that deceased Carlos pun. We go snowboarding for one weekend. We forget how a skateboard works. What are you doing, brother? Wait, whoa, that is not centered. Where are the bindings? That's my question. I want to do another bindings with a skateboard. What if we
Rollerblade bindings.
What if we do get like a longboard deck, put 2 pairs of bindings on there
What if
attached
we
to
make
it?
a skateboard out of paper mache?
What the heck was that?
A ghost?
That just flew out of nowhere. Did you throw that?
And the snowman is possessed. It wasn't the Ouija board, it's the snowman.
It's actually true. Fetty tackled it in a persistence video the other day and fully gashed both of his hands.
And I threw a tennis ball at it and it caught it. I threw a tennis ball at him and he went like this.
I didn't know it was the evil entity at this point.
Ever since Gabe shot it in the head, there's been more hauntings.
What's up?
Straight in the head, just but it went all the way through. I felt bad. Like we never filmed an actual video with him, but he's been in like every single video.
Yeah, he mad.
Do you want me to kill him? I'll take its head off.
That was the weirdest thing I've ever done.
Can I get some trucks?
Oh yeah, it's gonna break.
The monster smash.
Why are we like this? You know, these two are really the ones that hold us together, like glue. It's the Elmers cow, right? That's what it is? The Elmers glue cow, the little animal that's on the front of the Elmers glue.
That's
goat.
an animal.
It's a goat.
An Elmer's cow.
Goat.
That's a goat, dude.
Wow.
I don't think that's
I'm gonna draw that on my board.
What are the odds? His name is Elmer, dude.
This is a bull.
That's a goat.
That's a
He's
bull.
a goat, and that's a goat.
This is not a damn goat. Don't start this, Aussie.
That's
The goat.
This is a bull.
It's not a
And that's a
rabbit.
goat.
It's an owl koala.
Kinda-
Wow.
Gabe, they have vampire deer.
corgi?
Like, you're gonna tell me there's really a dolphin out there that's a unicorn?
Baby.
Have you ever heard the Muffin song?
It's a hippopotafrog.
Hey, fun fact. Hippopotamus kill way more people each year in Africa than alligators and crocodiles. You know how ferocious that thing would be in the water? Think about this. That's a killer whale. Can think it's smart.
penguin
It
size.
will plan out with its group how to kill you. It's like a velociraptor of the ocean. Kill
Literally,
you.
you just, if it comes out, you just put your foot out and kick it over.
You know ligers are real?
What is that? A giraffe?
Let's go. Carlos, you walked out of that sunshine. It's your time to shine.
Gloomy day, which is my favorite type of weather.
I think the ultimate goal is to not break this board. So right now I say, you know, take it on a little ride test, try it out. We have a leak in our roof, that's great. Did you just say don't break it immediately? Immediately? Immediately.
Let's just go down that bag first, see if it goes.
Carlos, don't tell me what to do.
That's flimsy. I'm gonna get the right of this.
Why is everything you do the loudest thing ever?
They're just insults.
That is no leak. What the heck? Oh no! That's from the Linex banana. That's banana rot.
Banana?
Yeah, that's from the bananas right there.
I will give you 20 bucks to lick it.
No.
The line next, what's leaking?
That is rotten banana juice.
How is it coming out?
Because didn't we cut that? It's the demons. Betty put him on timeout. Uzi, leave the demon alone. You leave him alone.
Force fielded it.
He just yeeted your ball away. Wow. When you kick turned, it flexed all the way to the ground, man. But I'm not necessarily sure it will break.
Apparently, it is a flex zone.
Maybe give Fetty a try.
No.
Go down the bank. Come on.
It's
you
gonna
got it.
break.
Just go down the bank. Fine.
It looked like you purposely tried to focus that.
I did not.
Do you think it actually took 3 months for him to make, or it just took that long for it to dry?
Or ship.
Come on, bolts. It does hold up a lot better than I thought, so.
Wow, well done, Fetty.
My foot wasn't even on the tail. That was just all shove action.
The first glue primo ever.
That was actually really
There
sick.
you go.
Good job.
Just like the board's glued to his
Look
feet.
at the board when I move my knees in. Okay, look. See that? It's all on my ankles, like nothing upper body.
I took one single step on that. It's done.
You want to see a board go limp? Backwards alumni. Let's go.
You know, for a solid block of dried glue, it's holding up a lot better than I thought.
The grip is helping a lot.
Carlos, get a grip. You're supposed to at least stick that. Did you hit your head?
Yeah.
Not again. We're off to a great start for the Lasher today.
He was balancing just on the board.
I know. Did you not see him primo stall it earlier? What? Seriously, it's gonna bend, but I do not think it's gonna break. What happens if we blowtorch
Do you
it?
reckon it would melt?
We are so saving that. We're doing that at the end of the video. Wait, does glue work like that? Is that like the gluish property of the world? No, I don't think so. You have to like add some kind of chemical mixture to it to turn it back into, yeah, it's definitely gonna just smell really bad. Did anyone else hear that when you dropped in, you could hear it scrape on the ground? What's up, you still sore from snowboarding?
I think I broke my shoulder.
Oh no.
We gotta get this kickflip done soon. Just go for it now.
You know, the one thing Fetty said all weekend, I'm not going down no black diamond. I like the nice chill gradient slopes. We're on green right now. I see a black diamond to the left, and I stop and I flag Nigel and Fetty down, and they come stop next to me. I'm like, brothers, let's go. And Fetty could not say no. Yeah.
The back
Yeah.
lip.
Back disaster.
It counts.
Good.
Front. Not much else you can do. We should get a thing of glue and glue our hands like that.
You got it, Los.
Flip the board down.
You have to flip the board down to 3.
What?
You know what?
What?
The banana, we pulled them apart, remember? So it's probably that very tip that is decomposing and disgusting. Yeah, that's horrible. We should get that down.
That was a heel flip. He said kick flip.
high five for that. That was impressive. I don't know how you did that. Oh, Fetty, I see what you're doing.
Hey, I made it flip. Sorry it wasn't a kick flip, but it's the best I could do, man.
Straight to death.
Back 180 fire glue cracker.
Would you have anything to add to that?
What?
Well, let me see damage report. Come on.
Damage report!
Well, look.
Here, take a smell.
Am I the only one that really likes the smell of glue?
Comment down below if you try to actually smell it.
When you try to glue paper with the liquid glue and you should have used the glue sticks and it just is horrible. Whoa.
That counts.
Oh no. One more.
They
And
put-
Carlos,
I wonder if
finish it down to 5.
We're basically not even standing on a board. It's just trucks being held together by glue. That's all it is.
For being cracked though, it's holding together very well.
Yeah.
Oh, look, there's a little hot in it.
You're editing.
Eddie, you gotta go a little faster.
It's hard. It's like
Oh no.
damage report.
Oh, no.
It broke in half.
Oh no. I would love to analyze this. Hold up. Analysis. It looks like this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a 7-ply glue deck. Yes, there is cardboard on the edges that I believe is the mold.
That's cardboard fiber. Carbon
So
fiber.
this whole part down here is completely cardboard, but this right here where he tried to rip the cardboard off is just glue. But all of this on the inside, whoa, look at that. That is amazing. If you get this grip tape off.
It was grip tape.
It was grip tape, yeah, it was clear grip.
That's what was so sharp on this, was the cardboard.
Well, we did meet our goal. The goal was to flip it down a stair set, you know.
Yeah, you did.
Couldn't kick flip it, but
There you go, guys, I got the grip off. Oh, take a whiff of that.
Oh wow.
That's nice.
Ugh.
It is so smooth. Oh, cameraman
This
Fetty.
is my favorite.
He's the only version of Fetty that's better than photographer Fetty.
Oh dear.
Because you can't get the camera away from him. If I try to take it back from right now.
What'd you do? Do that again. It is non-toxic.
Isn't that so soft?
Yeah. Well, we still need to burn it.
No, oh, we're not done yet. Here. Let's get our science on, okay?
Yeah.
Now that we did the skating, we did the tricks that were required. We
Now
need
we
to
do-
do the science.
The dump.
Put it right on the wooden box. Wait, okay. First off, what is this?
Wait, is
Like
it a
no,
boy,
like this
Pikachu,
is
or a
glue,
girl?
paper and glue, right? The first part of the scientific method is making a hypothesis, isn't it? Hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse, yeah.
So, Fetty, what do you think is gonna happen?
I think it's gonna melt.
But turn back into glue or like turn black and just...
Turn black and grow.
Much more
And
stickier.
what do you think is gonna happen, Sir
Well,
Los?
you're gonna melt the glue onto the coping and it's gonna be that much more sticky to where it doesn't matter how much I wax it, it's just gonna be sticky forever.
He's worried about skating. I'm just worried about lighting the Braille house on fire.
Well, this is only one piece.
Building is blowing up.
All right, shall we? I have a sudden fear that it's gonna blow up. Fire is the coolest thing in the world. It doesn't really smell that bad yet.
It's definitely not melting.
100% on fire. Oh,
Light it right here on the
But it's not-
cardboard.
it is sparking.
Why?
We never burned your speaker before.
Here at the Braille House campfire.
Sing our campfire song by our ESONG song. And if you don't think that we could sing it fast, then you're wrong. But it'll help if you just sing along.
Look, it's bubbling.
Oh, it's melting. We need some.
Whoa!
What in the world is happening here? Oh,
That looks so satisfying.
oh, what's happening here? Fatty, is it hot?
That's your hand.
It's not.
Well, it smells like a. It doesn't smell as bad as a lot of things we've had in here.
It doesn't smell as bad as it looks.
Fetty's starting to rub me off a little bit. All right, Fetty, experiment number 1.
X. Look, it's healing itself. I don't got no elbows.
Very nice.
That's satisfying.
What is experiment number 2?
Bitter end of the pickaxe.
Cut a square out. I do not trust Carlos with that.
Oh, it's a square.
Your boy just got shot in the eyeball. It looks like you guys are chopping tofu. I can't believe you. Wow, Fetty, thank you for your beautiful work.
Oh, look.
This is beautiful. This is some of the best craftsmanship I've ever seen.
What happened to the other pickaxe?
I have no idea.
You made me ink.
Well, in one video, we've had skateboarding, destruction, and fire all in one. And if that's not a Braille video, I don't know what is. Please click the videos to my left for a bunch of other content that you will enjoy. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we'll see you tomorrow. Go to brailleskateboarding.com for all of your skateboarding needs, including Fetty's destruction.